Have you ever felt nervous, even scared, to speak English in front of others? Have you wished you could just speak confidently without hesitation and understand people clearly when they talk to you? I know how that feels because I have been there too. Hi, my name is Mourise, and welcome to Unlocked English Fluency. Today, I want to share with you my journey of building English confidence in just 7 days, and how you can do the same if you are struggling with speaking, listening, or communicating in English. Before we start, take a deep breath and imagine yourself speaking English clearly, confidently, without fear, and understanding others easily. That is the feeling I want you to have by the end of this video. Now, let me take you through my story. On the first day, I felt nervous. I looked at myself in the mirror and realized that I could barely say a sentence without pausing, thinking too much about grammar, and feeling my heart beat faster. I knew something had to change, so I started with something very small. I told myself, Mourise, just speak one sentence out loud today. Just one. And I did. It was about something simple, like I am learning English. Even though it was small, it gave me a little courage. You see, confidence does not come from speaking perfectly. It comes from taking action, even small actions. So if you are watching this, I want you to do the same. Speak one sentence out loud today. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and every small step counts. On the second day, I decided to listen more carefully. I started listening to English podcasts, songs, and even simple news clips. I noticed something amazing. Listening helps your brain get used to the rhythm and sounds of English. I repeated some phrases that I heard, slowly and clearly, speaking as if I was having a real conversation. I felt a little more confident because now I could hear English and say it myself. I want you to try this too. Choose one short audio or video today and repeat 3 to 4 sentences from it. It's okay if you do not understand every word. What matters is you are listening, repeating, and practicing. On the third day, I made a list of sentences I could use every day. I wrote down simple phrases like, "Good morning, how are you?" or "Can you help me, please?" and started practicing them in front of the mirror or to myself. I realized that preparing simple sentences makes speaking easier and less stressful. You don't have to memorize everything at once. Start with a few sentences, repeat them, and use them in real situations. And here's a small tip. Smile while you speak. Smiling naturally makes your voice sound confident and positive. By the fourth day, I tried something a little harder. I started speaking to someone else, even if it was just my friend or a language partner online. I was scared at first, but I said, "Hi, I'm learning English. Can we speak together?" To my surprise, people were happy to help, and I felt more confident each time. Speaking with others helps you learn faster than speaking alone. You hear real conversations, you respond in real time, and you feel the real confidence growing inside you. I want you to take this step too. Reach out to one person today. It could be a friend, family member, or someone online who is learning English like you. On the 5th day, I faced my biggest fear. I spoke in front of a small group during a casual meeting. I remember my hands were shaking and my voice was a little low, but I kept going. I started with a simple greeting, then a short sentence about my day, and then something magical happened. People listened to me. They understood me. I realized that nobody is perfect and the world does not expect perfection. What people appreciate is your effort and willingness to communicate. This was the day I truly felt that confidence is not about perfect English, it's about speaking with courage and heart. On the 6th day, I focused on listening and repeating with emotion. I listened to short stories and tried to speak them as naturally as possible. I added pauses, emotion, and small gestures. For example, if the story was happy, I smiled while saying it. If it was sad, I lowered my voice slightly. This practice helped me feel more natural and made my speaking more human-like. You see, English is not only about words, it is also about feeling, emotion, and rhythm. Try this yourself. Take one short paragraph today and read it out loud, adding pauses, emotion, and expression. Finally, on the 7th day, I combined everything I had learned. I spoke, listened, prepared sentences, and even recorded myself. I played back the recording and realized I could understand myself clearly. I could hear my voice, my confidence, and my improvement. It was not perfect, but it was real, and it was mine. This day taught me the most important lesson. Confidence comes from consistent, small steps, not from waiting to feel perfect or ready. Throughout these 7 days, I also learned some small but powerful habits. I always started my practice with a positive thought, like, I can do this. I praised myself for every small effort. I never compared myself to others. I focused on my own progress. And most importantly, I reminded myself every day that making mistakes is okay, because mistakes are signs that you are learning. Now, I want to share with you 3 simple tips to build your English confidence fast. First, speak out loud every day, even if it is only one sentence. Second, listen and repeat phrases with emotion and expression. Third, practice with someone else, even for a few minutes, because real conversation gives real confidence. These tips are simple, but if you follow them, I promise you will see improvement quickly. If you are watching this video right now, I want you to do a small exercise. Write one sentence in the comments that you want to say in English confidently. I will read it and encourage you. Sharing your progress helps you stay motivated, and it helps our community grow stronger. And if you enjoy this video and want more tips to learn English, improve communication, and speak confidently, make sure to subscribe to Unlocked English Fluency. Hit the bell icon and like this video. By subscribing, you will get more videos like this, and you can follow my steps every day to improve your English. Remember, confidence is not magic. It is built step by step. It is built by trying, by listening, by speaking, and by believing in yourself. Even if today you feel shy, nervous, or scared, take one small action. Speak one sentence, listen to one audio, or practice one paragraph. And each day, add one more small step. Soon, you will look back and realize, just like I did, that your English has improved, your voice is stronger, and your communication is clearer. Before we finish, I want you to promise yourself one thing. Commit to practicing for just 7 days, like I did. Start small, stay consistent, and notice your progress. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments. I love reading your stories, and I want to celebrate your improvements with you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Unlocked English Fluency, like this video, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video that can help you learn English, improve communication, and speak confidently. Following these steps will make your learning journey faster and more enjoyable. Finally, I want to leave you with a question to think about and answer in the comments. What is one thing you will do today to speak English more confidently? Write your answer, and I will read and encourage you. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. We are building English confidence together, one small step at a time. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trusting me, and I hope you will take these steps seriously. Keep practicing, keep believing,
and soon you will speak English confidently, naturally, and with joy.